Hey guys, welcome back to the channel for a new video. Today we are working on the NC Miata, continuing progress on the model kit. I think only one video has been posted. I have another one lined up and that'll probably go out this next week. But we're working on the actual car today because I've got something here that I've been wanting to get for quite a while now, and we're gonna install it. I'm gonna show you and do all that jazz that we normally do in all these videos. So I'm gonna spin you around and show you what we got. So right here, we have a Works Bell hub for a steering wheel. This is the one that's recommended most. It is authentic, it's gonna fit, it's for the NC Miata. It comes with the little trim guard, it comes with the airbag wires, the airbag resistor, the horn wires, hardware. Comes with everything. It's a really nice little package. I didn't go with anything cheap like, you know, there's the NRG stuff with the short hubs and the quick releases and all that. This is just a Works Bell regular sized hub for a steering wheel. Over here, we have a Personal Nardi Blitz steering wheel. This is a 350 millimeter. Stock, I think, is 375, so it's a little bit smaller of a wheel. It's kind of a basic one, nothing too flashy. It's just black stitching. It's a polyurethane, I think. It's no leather, because in Texas the sun just kills leather here, but it's a genuine Nardi Personal with the horn button and everything. Got this before the hub, so I've had this sitting for a little while. You might have seen it in another video. Personal Nardi is a very reputable brand. A lot of people run the Nardi wheels, and I've seen a couple people run Personal wheels, and that is what we're running right here. So addressing the questions or comments that I'll probably receive, yes, you lose your radio controls. Yes, you lose your cruise control controls. Yes, you lose your airbag. With my car, for one, I don't have a radio, and I haven't used the steering wheel controls in forever, even when I had the doubled in, because I never had it hooked up. Not a big deal to me. As far as the cruise control goes, never use the cruise control. I barely use it in the Golf. I just don't really like using it. I like, you know, putting my foot on the gas and modulating it to traffic and everything like that. I just don't use it. And with the Bluetooth module for EQTech, I can control all the maps from my phone when I have the dongle plugged in. I don't need to use the cruise control for changing my map. I haven't changed my map probably since I've gotten the Tune. It's always stayed on the same one, not worried about that. Okay, and yes, you lose your airbag. I'm sacrificing the airbag for one because I barely drive the car. I'm trying to keep it as track orientated as possible because it's starting to become a car that is just used for fun, and I'd rather have the smaller steering wheel with a little bit more ergonomic control, and that is why I'm changing out the steering wheel. And let's face it, aftermarket steering wheels also look cool, so that's a bonus there. So now that I've answered that question, or those questions, we are going to get to installing the steering wheel. We're gonna pop this guy off, throw the hub on, get all of our wiring situated, throw on the steering wheel, and we will just be on our way. So let's get started. right, and we are all done. It was pretty easy to do. One little minor hiccup I had was the horn button I got came with two terminals and only one wire to the actual like clock spring area. So I had to drill and tap into the steering hub and just grounded out the wire there, which, you know, not a huge deal, but here it is. The horn works. I'm not gonna tap it because my kid's sleeping, but yeah, this is a nice little wheel. It's a little bit thinner than, it's probably closer to OEM rather than the Cypher one that I had. Really good for gloves if I were to wear like a pair of racing gloves when going out and about, but it is smaller, which is nice. So not have to, you know, I can brake and my knee doesn't hit the steering wheel at all, which is good. Yeah, it's a nice little wheel. It's very well constructed. And yeah, here it is. Personal Nardi Blitz wheel on the Miata. Here's the view outside the car. Nice and in there. I really like the look of this wheel. It's just kind of classic, nothing too flashy. Very, very nice looking in my opinion. And it goes pretty well with the rest of the interior. So that's cool as well. And that's gonna be it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed the install. I'm gonna save my old steering wheel. One of the things I like about this is if I am going on like a long road trip or I'm going somewhere and probably gonna want the airbag, I can always just swap in the old steering wheel really quickly. It's really not hard to take off. It's just a couple bolts and you're on your way. So I'm gonna save my old wheel, throw it on when I need it. Otherwise, I'm gonna enjoy this for the time being, you know, and the nice thing is I can switch it out to a new aftermarket steering wheel in the future if I want to. I can add a quick release hub, but I really like the length that it is right now. It's pretty much the same as OEM, so I'm good with that. But thanks so much for being here. Thanks so much for watching. If you are new to this channel, go down below and hit that subscribe button. Give this video a thumbs up, leave your comments below, and I will see you in the next one.